Hello ladies and gents, welcome to this video, and in this video we will be doing the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 6, the blue aluminum case. Without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. Alright, so this is the 44mm blue aluminum case. So let's unbox this. I gotta say, I am always impressed by Apple's packaging. I'll move this out. I'm always impressed by their packaging and the way they wrap this up. Look at this. All the watch band, all the colors, and here we go. You got the watch, the blue aluminum case, and the leather loop magnetic closure. So let's put this on the side. Let's move it aside. Let's go with the watch first. There it goes. So put this aside. And oops, the wrong way. Let's do it the right way. All right, so this is the blue one. So are we ready? There we go. Here is the watch and the watch charger, designed by Apple in California. And look at this. This is the watch, the blue one, and I like this color. I like the blue color, the stainless steel. Let me see if I can get this out without struggling with it much. Ah, there we go. Got it. Finally took this out. So now let's bring the leather loop. Okay, so let's see. I'm more familiar with the stainless steel Milanese loop. That's my personal preference, but this time I'm going with a different loop. Let's move the watch aside. And oh, look at that. So you have the loop here. Okay, so here's the band. Let's see if we can put this together on the watch. So let's go, let's try this. We got one part. Let's see if we can get the other part on. Did we turn on the watch? While I'm struggling with it, I think I turned on the watch. There we go. So again, to put this on with the leather loop, with this band, magnetic closure, that's what they're calling it. It's pretty simple. You just put it on like you want to put it on any watch, like a regular watch, regular belt. So this one is, they call it the band, the loop. You tighten it up tighten it up as far as you want it to go, and you just go this way and it tightens. You cannot go this way, it sticks out. That's not the way, and it doesn't even click. The magnetic force is not here on this side. The magnetic force is here. There you go. And that's how you put it on. And let me just do the comparison with the Series 4 Stainless Steel Series 4 Apple Watch Milanese Loop. The Milanese Loop is my favorite. It's basically easy to wear. You just put it on. No resizing or anything like that. Same thing goes with this one too. You don't have to do the resizing. You just put it on like this. Well, this is neat. Milanese Loop. So this band is kind of like similar to the Milanese Loop, fit wise, not cosmetic wise. Alright, so that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I will compare the two watches, and I will definitely do a full review of the Series 6 Apple Watch, and I will also check out the oxygen sensor, how to measure your oxygen level. So definitely stay tuned. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you disliked it, give it a thumbs down, but please do not forget to subscribe. This is Kazi. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.